This isn't about GameStop or Reddit pirates. It's about me, the new stock loser in town that fell for the Robin Hood meme. We got some information selling bitches over here. Prior to signing up, I would never get calls from Social Security vampires. Then suddenly I received like 3 and I'm pissed. What's another app I could use? I don't want to fuck with Acorn because that reminds me of my dick too much, and Fidelity sounds like some communist bullshit. Okay, you're probably wondering how an unsuccessful prick such as myself is gonna get you rich. Well, I've been a day holder for less than a week, which gives me the authority to tell you what to do with your money. What you should do is invest in my index fund, the Boat Bomber 5000. We got shares in Hemp, Space, and Dave Ramsey's bald ass. We're just betting on him to do good. Another hairless playboy billionaire is this bowtie guy. We own shares in him too. He said buy some penny stocks, and I had to since I believe anything said by someone dressed nicer than me. I'm assuming both of these gurus recommend trading while coked up. I just started listening to them here and there, so that may be a skill you learn later on. What I do know is that you should invest your money into weed and food instead of inhaling bong rips and cheeseburgers on the regular. That's a note for myself. Truly, I'm just fucking around putting a little cash into random stocks I hear about. I don't plan on getting addicted and dumping my life savings into Chinese mind control devices, but you never know. I already recognize that gambling rush I felt the few times I've hit the slots, and it's a feeling that is euphoric as it is stressful. Now let me tell you what to never add to your portfolio if you ever want to see your ransom money again. Sundial Growers, a group of Canadians growing weed in their mom's backyard. I'm all in, 50 shares deep. That means you gotta invest too or I'll never get to go to Albania. My last piece of advice is if this old man ever offers you McDonald's, rob him. Rob him right the fucking spot right there. He's so goddamn rich. Alright. Also, one more thing. Hold on to your balls, because when scared money makes money, it's known as dividends, which is interest paid for holding certain stocks. Look man, I only put $200 in the stock market and I feel like a fucking rich asshole. That's it. I'm not going to put any more because it's down currently. I'm not going to just keep adding to the fire, fueling the flame. That's not what I'm about. But because the only investment I'm actually up in is when I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin 3 years ago. I own a very small fraction of a whole one. The value has gone up a ton, so I'll hold on to it until Elon Musk says so. Though currently it's too expensive to buy into. So you're better off following the next wave of luck. Alright, time for the getting real part. The usual shit I ramble about on stream. I'm a 24-year-old slacker with a community college education. Having an associate's in science would sound okay, but my lazy ass picked associates in arts. What does that qualify you for? Nothing! For me, it would act as a stepping stone towards bachelor debt, because I could never decide on an actual major. I'm happy with my choices, even though my current job is fucking weird. It consists of me going to veterinary clinics, picking up their deceased animals, and taking them to be cremated. Don't worry, I'm real respectful when I haul the big pups out like frozen boulders. Of course, doing the blue-collar jobs for caveman won't let me achieve that financial freedom we all desire. I will say YouTube is a good side hustle, and it's great making money doing something fun. Shout out to Patreon, because that YouTube salary is looking like a randomly generated stimulus check, and that's before tax. I'm not worried about my channel becoming a cash machine. Would be cool if it happened, but I'm not betting on it. I do still enjoy working on content daily. Even the days when I can only allocate a short amount of time, a little is better than nothing. Wasn't this video about stocks? I guess the ending tangent sort of relates to finance. I must apologize for wasting your time. You see, I was trying to escape the sick fantasy land where I narrate video games, and deep down, I know I never will. Why, I remember as a kid playing Day of Reckoning 2, and the game had no commentators, so I had to act as both JR and the king, until my mom overheard me and made fun of me. But I was onto something. This. Alright, that's enough. See you next time on whatever. Why'd you put these props on the table?
I don't even know.